Hey you guys, so somebody said that they wanted a video on how to prep the overnight oats. The great part about meal prepping is that when you do meal prep, it's good for 3 days, okay? So if I make this overnight oats today, it's Thursday, it's gonna be good up until Saturday. Yeah, hello, wait. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay, boom, bow. But I'm good for now anyway. So we're gonna make this for the video's sake. The great thing about this jar, y'all see how much it was? I got it from the Dollar Tree. It might be the 125 tree, but that's what we got, okay? And so the first thing you want to do, and the thing about me, I'm not real big on brands. As you can see, this is the regular store brand, Food Lion, Quick Oats. You may not have a Food Lion in your area. You may have a Costco, Winn-Dixie, Harvest, whatever you have, okay? We're going to use 1/2 cup of oats, okay? You can use whatever oats of your choice, okay? I chose these oats because I'm trying to be affordable, okay? 1/2 cup of oats. You're going to pour that. Yeah, I said pour. But if you want me to be more proper, I'll say pour. You're going to pour that in your jar, 1/2 cup, and we're done with the oats for now. Bye-bye for now, okay? And then after the oats, you want to get your chia seeds. Now, this is the organic chia seeds. I got this particular one because I know it's going to last me a long time. Chia seeds is going to provide a very nice texture, and it's also great for your protein as well. So we're going to use 1 tablespoon. Also, these measuring utensils can be purchased at the $1.25 store as well. Dollar Tree. What did you get from the Dollar Tree? This is 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. So we're going to put that in there. Like so, like that. Close that back up. We're done with the chia seeds for now. Okay? Then what you want to come and do to let that blend all in, you want to get you 1/2 cup of milk of your choice. I choose almond milk because that is the type of milk that we drink in my household. We do not drink whole milk, okay? We do drink almond milk. A lot of people use oat milk. I don't like oat milk, so I'm using almond milk. And you can do the sweetened almond milk, okay? We're going to do 1/2 cup. It's almost out, baby. And I don't have on any gloves because I'm preparing this for myself, not nobody else, so it's mine. I'm shaking. I'm shaking because I literally just left the gym, took a shower, popped on these clothes, and I'm getting ready to go. So my muscles kind of little tingly a little bit because I went hard today in the gym, you guys. Okay, we're done with the almond milk for now. And you don't have to put a spoon there. Just give it a little twirl the world. Twirl the world. You gone, girl. You gone, boy. Twirl the world. Okay, and then we're going to do yogurt, okay? You can do whatever yogurt of your choice. I prefer the strawberry banana. A lot of people do use plain Greek yogurt, whatever kind of yogurt you want to do. Get you some yogurt, okay? So we're done right there. We're going to use a cup, 1 cup of yogurt. Ooh, that's a lot of yogurt. Or you can use 1/2 cup. I do notice that when I did use 1/2 cup of yogurt, I wanted more yogurt. So I like yogurt. So I used 1/2 cup the first time. But this time, I'm using a whole cup, baby. Whole cup, me. Yes, we're going to use a whole cup of yogurt. Like I said, you can cut that down to 1/2 cup, depending on your yogurt meter. Depending on how much you like yogurt. Let me get a napkin here. Normally, when my 2-year-old is here, I let him finish off the yogurt there. But he's not here, so I'll finish it myself. Okay, and now what we're going to do, give it a whirl. Give it a twirl. You gone, girl. You gone, boy. You gone, girl. Okay, now we're going to give it a whirl. Give it a twirl. Like so, like that. And then we're going to add cinnamon. Now, the first time I did make it, you can add as much cinnamon as you like. It's not going to hurt anything, child. I did feel like I had cinnamon in there, but I needed a little bit more. So you can be a little generous with the cinnamon, okay? You can be a little generous with the cinnamon. Generous with the cinnamon, okay? And we got the cinnamon. I'm not trying to make this video so long, so let me hurry up, speed up. Now, I got this particular honey from the Dollar Tree, and I noticed when I tried to squeeze it out, it ain't really want to come out for real. So we finna take this top out, baby. We're going to put just a little bit. We ain't got to do it a whole lot. It's for sweeten it to taste, or you can use maple syrup. I really don't like syrup like that for real, unless it's on pancakes. And even when I put it on pancakes, I don't like that much. So we're going to put a little, come on, Dollar Tree, $1.25 tree. That's enough. Come on, Jesus. Hold on, wait, y'all. Don't do that much. Good googly moogly. That thing is thick. Okay, that's enough. That's definitely enough. Honey, and lastly, but most certainly not least, wait a minute. I'll be back. Okay, you guys, I'm back. Excuse my brother in the background. We're going to add our fruit, okay? This was on sale. Food, this is the store brand. It was on sale for $2. That's why I got it. If you want to do fresh fruit, you can. I prefer with the overnight oats, though, that we do a frozen fruit. So whatever mixture you want to get, you can get. As you can see here, I have strawberries, blackberries, blueberries, and raspberry. We're going to, and notice that your hand's going to be a little dirty, but that's okay. For me, I like to get me 2 scoops, and that'll do. 2 scoops. That'll do. I don't even know about you. Stay true to what you do. Baby, I only need 2 scoops, okay? And that is going to be your overnight oats. The last thing that you're going to do, I like to take my measuring cup that I used to put the chia seeds in earlier after I wash all this stuff off my hands, and I just give it a stir. Give it a twirl. Give it a whirl. You gone, girl. You gone, boy. Hey, okay. And that is it. And all you're going to do is call overnight oats for a reason. You don't eat it right now. You put it in the refrigerator, and you let it sit overnight, and you're good to go for in the morning. Peace. Love you. Bye.